Hello, Andy here with a very quick video. This lovely person, whose name is just on the screen there, left a comment for me asking if I could actually tell you the settings of what this mic is set for. This is the BPHS-1 and it's going into the GoXLR Mini, and it must have sounded pretty good to them because they own this headset and they want the settings for the GoXLR Mini. All the details. So let's go over to this screen and I'll show you exactly the settings. So I'm just recording this into OBS, and if we go onto this screen here, you can see the GoXLR app here, and it is GoXLR Mini, so we don't have as many controls as the full GoXLR would have, but these are the settings that I use for it on here. So if we extend all these so you can see exactly all the fine detail, let's go to mic setup first, and you can actually see that I've got it set to 51 decibels. Right there. So when I talk, it is in the good, but it is not in the loud. Don't want it in the loud. So we'll go okay with that. And then we come out of here and we go into the rest of the mic setup, which has got the gate. So the gate is set to -47 threshold, 100% attenuation, attack is set to 60, release is 250 milliseconds, and then we're onto the equalizer. So at 90 Hertz, we're on a 6. At 160 Hertz, we're at another 6. 480 Hertz, we're at a 5. 1.5 kilohertz, we're at a 2. 4.5 kilohertz, we're at a 1. And then at 7.8 kilohertz, we're at a 4. Now in terms of the compressor, I've got threshold of -28. We've got a ratio of 4:1. We've got an attack of 2 milliseconds, release 65 milliseconds, and the makeup gain is 16 dB. So obviously my voice is probably going to be different than your voice or anybody else's voice, so you can tweak and tailor that to your own sound and how your voice is built. So in terms of how, if you don't look at the popped out menu, it is simply the gate is set to 20, the equalizer is set to 642, and the compressor is set to 75. That is like the bare basic settings. As you can hear, that's what the mic sounds like. It's just going into OBS, and if I bring up the OBS now, you can see that I'm around -6 dB. So I'm going into the red, which is fine as long as you don't hit the 0, because 0 is clipping. So there we are. That's the settings that I use. Hope you enjoyed. If anybody else has got any questions, please do ask, and I'll make a video for you too. Bye.